Lizzie, and I'm going to check out with the side. Whoa, motorcycle! Motorcycle!
No, I understand.
Corey! There's a motorcycle out here.
What are you doing?
I'm making a YouTube video. Say hi, Mama. Fine, don't say hi.
I know, but see, nobody told me about it ahead of time because I would have got it that much louder. That's what I want done to this, is I need these pipes took out. But the people
So
that I went to,
spiky.
they're like, well, I
Listen to me. I just told you this the last time I seen you. If there's something that you want done, call me. My brother, this is what he does.
I probably will do it because I got to get the catalytic, or I want the catalytic converter off, and I want some stainless steel.
But this is, you know, he's gonna ride the bike. Whatever's wrong with the bike, so he can assess it.
There's nothing wrong with it. Oh,
No, I'm saying anything. If there's something,
take it off to get the exhaust.
no, if you want the exhaust off,
I like your bike. He wants me to get a bike like his. I want a bike like that.
Look at that.
He's trying to get me to get a bike like this.
I want to get on.
dude, listen.
Because, watch, I bet my feet don't touch it around.
What do you ride with?
Careful.
What?
Quick, let's go get shoes
This is
on.
way better than your bike.
They make a
I want to get on. Shoes, sneakers. Oh, my sneakers on. Hey, no. I don't want to. I want. Quick, I need to get on this for my YouTube video. Oh, say hi, Corey. Hi. Yeah, say hi to YouTube. Hi. Hi, YouTube. Hey, Bree. Guys, I just made a parody. Come on, let's go. Got my sneakers on.
Don't touch it. That falls over. It's gonna hurt.
He's got this obsession.
Yeah, it's gonna
He
squish.
said don't get
Bikes,
I know.
tractors, anything. Alright, you guys.
My kids too. They want
No,
to
I'm making a motorcycle
I got a little 3, or my brother's not there.
Dave, I want to get your tattoo on
I
YouTube.
went up to Ogdensburg like 3
Give
weekends
this a back,
ago.
that's
dude.
my
Said she
name.
was gas standing back, dude.
I like your shirt, Daddy.
If you want to change the color, use plastic dip.
Is that paint remover stuff?
No, it's like a rubber. But dude, you paint it on there.
It makes
It looks
like,
awesome.
I don't like it that
It's
color.
good.
Oh, my cousin got.
Oh my.
No.
Hey, my doll.
But he was telling me about that too. I love the color of the bike, dude. And that's when I saw it, dude. Because when I was shopping for bikes, dude, I realized that's the one thing that's hard, dude. Like you get good prices on them, but finding a color that you like is difficult.
Whoa! My mom just broke the lamp.
No, I don't.
I know, it was already broken. This came off. It's kind of heavy. As you can see, our lamp is broken.
I love this. If I could do 220 in this, I'm sure that would.
Here you go, Mama. It's getting kind of heavy.
I'm gonna bet you. We'll make a friendly bet.
Hey, that's just sweet.
Put it down now.
Guys, I'm gonna take you down to the stop sign.
25 push-ups.
Daddy.
One for handling.
We'll go down Falls Road.
Daddy.
And I'm gonna let you go ahead of me,
Daddy.
so you can get the feel for the road. And I'll bet you, I'll pass
Daddy.
you.
I'm gonna go up the stop sign.
This one's set up good though.
Guys, we're just going to look at that big spider web. Oh, I want to go on the stop web. Let's go on the stop web. Oh my God, it's too big.
Get up there.
I'm going up to the stop sign.
No.
I'm going up to that stop sign back there.
No. Give me 1 second.
Can you see
Give
it?
us your back.
Why?
Because your brother and sister are following you.
Wait, then go down the hill.
No. Getting.
I need to do something for my video.
You're supposed to be out front.
Yes, we are. Okay, guys, look at this huge spider web. Back to the motorcycle.
kid just bought a brand new Kawasaki style. And we took off, dude, and we went, you know, when you go down 48 and you go like you're gonna get on 690, but you're going to the freeway. We went down Jones Road, I'm sorry, Jones Road where it turns around right there.
Over here, you see we got these berries, which look really weird.
Jones Road 690.
And here's our old Jeep. We used to call it Monster Truck. Well, if you can see inside, which you probably can't. So, we're my Monster High sneakers. They're pretty old. What's this?
I was about this far.
Liz!
I don't know if I showed you the picture.
All of you.
But my.
I'm doing something for my video, Mama.
My
No. Say hi, Bree. Hi, Whiskey. I was saying, did you poop? No. Go on the potty.
If my brother had Roger, I would walk.
You know what made me fall in love with bicycles? I used to care less about it. Like, I used to be one of those people with bikes. I realized when I started getting into bikes, they don't make them loud.
I'll go this big rock. Guilty. What do you throw rocks?
I was at a stoplight.
Let's even throw the rock the farthest. I did. That's your rock.
Rode it in. Stop right.
Mine's still in the road. Mine's in the road. No. Cool, let's see if you can throw it all the way to the gate. I'm gonna pick a rock. I can. That's where yours landed, and that's where mine landed. I win. You lose.
Turned into a red light and he just came up real quick behind the car in front of him and hit the brakes in front of the rear end tire went boom.
I heard that you guys are doing like 60, 65.
Well, he was doing it just jerking off because he knows he's not going to hit the car and he wants to see how high he can get the rim. So,
oh no, what happened?
I do the same thing. And the bike comes up. So then I'm watching videos on YouTube on how to do a rolling stop. Get up to the brake and push down.
What are you doing? Going up to the stop sign. No, you're not allowed. No! We're going on the stop sign! No, I'm not. Finally. Oh, the boys, stay away from the road. I'm about to go call Chelsea. Because she can play. Daddy, can I call Chelsea and see if she can play?
Oh shit, so you gotta keep them compressed.
Well, no.
It's gonna recoil a little bit, though, right?
No, you let off slowly.
Off the brake?
Off the brake. Or no, yeah, off the brake and the clutch.
Daddy!
Yeah, the clutch won't matter.
Daddy, I'm going to take a walk down the hill.
You hit the brake.
Oh my gosh, we're not. What are you doing? None of your business. Going down to Chelsea's. Okay, guys, we're going down this very scary hill. It's not scary. Mailbox. Poison ivy, guys. Never trust that kind of leaf right there. Dark, shiny green leaf. Oh no, we got poison ivy. We're just taking a walk down the hill. I'm just gonna give you a tour. What the? The F is that? Kate Cadoodle. That's just weird and scary at the same time. Why did I just run? Guys, this house is weird. Oh, you guys don't stop. I'm looking home. I can't believe my video is still on. Yeah, my phone. And we live on Melrose Ave. If you know, the new burned area is like, take a turn right there. Boom, yeah, burned area. We're lucky, aren't we? I don't know people who live there, but oh my god, it's a slide. That's just awesome. So we're just gonna keep walking down to Chelsea. Now we're going to just take a turn and go back up the hill. What the heck was that sound? Are you please? I'm gonna go back up. See the birdie, guys? Come on, feet. Feet. We're going back up the hill. I hear police sirens. Do you hear that? Maybe he's gonna come steal me. We're just gonna keep walking up. This is my daily exercise today. Walk down, walk up. Walk down, walk up. I'm going to see if Chelsea can play, so guys, I keep on dropping him up. I actually dropped these up. Mr. Squirrel! Mr. Squirrel! I usually see a squirrel in this tree. My squirrel has abandoned me. No, he actually did abandon me. This time, oh no, they're getting out. Come on, let's go. Oh, I just saw the police car. I'm just gonna go home. You guys, it's getting so loud. My mom does think I was missing. I heard police.
Got one shot going into Van Buren Park. Yeah, gates were closed.
Daddy, I'm gonna go head down and see if Chelsea can play.
So me and my boy Kyle, right? We're both on DRZs. Both got the dual exhaust. Mine doesn't have the baffling in it.
Daddy?
So it's louder.
Yeah.
So we went bop, 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 scared the geese away as soon as we were pulling out. Here comes like shirt.
Daddy.
I had to have her little brother Mac come pick me up.
Can I go see if Chelsea can play?
I just did
Dad, can I go see if Chelsea can play?
$5, but
Can I go see if Chelsea can play?
the MSP course. It's in Shopping Town Mall.
Daddy, can I go see if Chelsea can play?
You get your license automatically.
Yeah, go.
Thanks. No, it doesn't. I'm bringing it with me. Mom will take off the password so I can get on to Chelsea's. Mommy, where'd like the mama go? Oh, she's out front. Crap, I forgot. It's on TV.
Difficult ride for both of us, just to let you know. Yeah, because.
Excuse me.
Get over here, please. Because.
Is Mommy back here? Where is she?
I want to go to them sharp corner.
No, she's not.
Oh, I love the shirt too. You're riding straight all the time. It's boring.
Okay, guys. I think I might end the video here. Go down to Chelsea's. Do some random stuff. But first I need to find my mom, tell her to take off the password and bring my tablet with me.
There's a Michelin song.
Mommy! That's where I made my Let It Go parody. Mother! Mommy! You in here? Mommy? Where is she? No. She did not leave. Oh, there she is. Alright, she was outside. No! Oh! Sorry.
Tab, we'll see you, sir.
No!
Go. In the house.
Sure.
In the house. Now.
Mommy, take off the password.
But I think part of it's because
Why? It's not on.
I know, I'm going down.